Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working with Remy Forte hair. Thank you so much to Remy Forte hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over their 6x4 body wave 180% density wear and go unit, and this wig is in the length of 26 inches. As you guys can see in the beginning clips, this wig does come with an adjustable strap. Good for this wig install because it is a wear and go, so it's going to give us a little more extra support. And as you guys can also see, it did have like a little grip material in the adjustable strap, which is going to aid in keeping your wig on. So like I said, this is a wear and go unit, so what I'm going to do is just add some makeup to my lace. And as you guys can see, this wig came pre-cut. I did not cut any lace off of this wig. You can literally install this wig straight out of the box. I did go ahead and I did bleach the knots of my wig. That's just my personal preference. You don't have to. You can literally just put makeup on the wig right out of the box and literally throw the wig on, do a little part, and boom. This is a glueless install, but I'm just going to use my Ebin just to hold it in place for a little more extra security. And now I'm just going to start styling this wig, figuring out where I want my part to be. So I did go ahead and do a middle part because it's just something about a middle part and those loose body wave curls, like it just eats. So I'm just parting out my middle part. I'm just going to take my round tail comb and just get it as even as I possibly can. And then you guys already know I'm using my She's Blonde wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to straighten out this part and get it as flat as I can. And this is just going to make sure that my wig is giving real natural, and because I want this wig to look like it's coming out of my scalp, you know.
Get a mean lady drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
So I'm going to be using my T3 curling iron, but I'm not going to use the clamp on the curling iron. I'm just going to basically use it as a curling wand. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to wrap the hair around the wand on the curling iron. And I really wanted this to give just like loose beach wave kind of look. I really didn't want my curls to be too tight. And you guys can see in the end product, when I show you guys, it just came out so cute. Like, it was just so loose, so flowy. And I also want to mention, y'all, this wig was super super soft. Like, this wig felt so nice to the touch. It was so flowy, it was so silky. Like, I honestly and truly love this wig, and this is actually my first time working with this company, so I didn't know what to expect. But this hair, you guys, and definitely you guys need this wig. Like, this hair felt so good. Like, it was so silky, so flowy, so shiny, and I would definitely recommend this wig.
Oh, nah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, nah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, nah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, nah. Yeah, yeah. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. Can't come from a different world. It ain't even worth a split.
That was everything for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed how to get this real cute glueless wear and go unit style. As you guys can see, the curls on this wig is so beautiful. This hair was so luxurious, it was so pretty, and I would highly recommend this wig to you guys. If you guys like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box. I will have all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing.